Delta Executor Mobile iOS and Android Working Roblox Executor Mobile Tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you this quick and simple tutorial for the Delta Executor phone download. Now, in order to do this, you want to navigate through your system settings. Once inside your system settings, you can just scroll down, click on General, and from here, you then want to look for the app background refresh. Once inside, click on background app refresh once more, and from here you want to make sure that it is set to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Right after that, you can just go ahead and head over to your browser, which is Safari or Google Chrome depending on the device that you are using. From here, you can just go ahead and search for iTweaks, and you want to open this website called itweakinstall.com. From here, you want to scroll down and you will go ahead and see the Delta Executor iOS, iPhone, Android, no jailbreak, no root required. If you cannot go ahead and see it right here, you can just go ahead and search on it and you will go ahead and see it show up. So just click on it, click on Start Now, and you will be able to get the Delta Executor for your iPhone or Android. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.